my hands up high, feeling your grace. With every breath I take, I seek your face. You guide my steps, you light my way. In the darkest nights, you turn the gray. Oh Lord, my heart is yours forevermore. I love you, God, with all my soul. You make me whole, you make me whole. Your mercy flows like a river wide. With you, my King, I will abide. Through valleys deep and mountains tall, you hear my cries, you catch my fall. And every joy and every tear, your love surrounds me, always near. In your embrace I find my peace. I love you, God,